Hey everyone, this is Meenakshi from Backpacking with My Lens and welcome to another Olympic National Park video where I explore the lesser known side of the park with my family and share top things you can do here. So keep watching the video to learn more about the lesser known spots of Olympic National Park and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. The south coast route of the Olympic Peninsula is a shorter drive from Seattle as compared to the popular north coast route of the park. Last summer, we explored the northern part of the park and spent 2 days covering all the top spots. However, the south coast was much more manageable as a day trip and offered a wonderful experience of the temperate rainforest, the world's largest Sitka spruce, and the stunning Pacific coastline. So here's my complete itinerary of the day from Seattle downtown to Olympic National Park, checking out all the top spots on our way. Our first stop of the day was just 1 hour south of Seattle near Olympia, at Brewery Park at Tumwater Falls. The park offers views of 3 small cascading waterfalls, making it a perfect breakfast stop. We had packed some delicious paneer kimchi sandwiches from Blue Witches in SLU and enjoyed them while taking in the view. Here's a quick glimpse of the Brewery Park in Olympia, a hidden gem that offers half-a-mile loop trail along the Deschutes River, offering breathtaking views of the 3 cascading waterfalls, lush native plants, and historic footbridges. We also stopped by downtown Olympia to check out some top spots like the Capitol Lake with a view of the State Capitol building, the Heritage Park Fountain, and to grab coffee from Rhythms Coffee. If you want to know more about Olympia, do check out my Olympia day trip video by clicking on this link. We then headed to our first spot in Olympic National Park, Lake Quinault Lodge. This is one of the top spots in the southern coast of Olympic National Park and is a historic lakeside resort that is known for its rustic charm and scenic setting in the Quinault Rainforest. This lodge was built in 1926 and features 92 rooms and offers amenities like grand fireplace, indoor pool, and Roosevelt dining room. It's one of the top spots to stay in Olympic National Park as it offers a peaceful escape from the modern distractions, plus guests can enjoy facilities like hiking, fishing, and exploring the surrounding rainforest. You can also check out the mercantile store and museum across the street from the lodge, but it was closed during our visit. We then headed to the Cascade Falls Loop Trail that starts from the lodge and takes you through the Quinault Rainforest. This rainforest is part of the larger Pacific temperate rainforest ecoregion and is known for its abundant rainfall up to 12,000 feet annually, which nourishes a dense green wonderland of towering trees, moss-draped branches, and rich biodiversity. Cascade Falls is a hidden gem in Quinault Rainforest and is a must-visit if you're in the area. This loop trail is 1.7 miles long and is very easy to complete. You'll come across the waterfall about halfway through your trek, and depending on the season, you'll get either a clear or a partially obstructed view of the drop. For us, the view was partially blocked by the trees since we visited in the spring, but we could still see the beautiful cascade, and the sound of the flowing water made the experience even better. Keep watching the video to see the entire trail through to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel and food recommendations. Next, we headed to see the world's largest Sitka spruce located in Quinault Rainforest. This massive tree is a must-see in Olympia National Forest and holds a record due to its impressive size. With a height of approximately 191 feet, this tree will make you feel tiny, but you'll also be inspired by its resilience, as this tree is more than 1,000 years old. Our next spot was another picturesque waterfall dropping beautifully from a height of 40 feet. Merriman Falls is located on the South Shore Road and is a popular stopover point for travelers exploring Lake Quinault area. There's a tiny pullover spot right next to the waterfall, and the falls is easily visible from the road. Spring is one of the best time to see this waterfall as the rainfall enhances its flow. We then headed to the coast to explore the gorgeous beaches of the south coast. It was a 40-minute drive on Highway 101 from Lake Quinault Lodge, passing through the dense Olympia National Forest. Our first spot was the famous Tree of Life, a remarkable natural wonder located near the Kalaloch campground. This iconic Sitka spruce has captivated visitors for years by seemingly defying gravity. Its massive roots span a gaping void where the soil beneath has been eroded away, yet the tree continues to thrive, suspended between two cliffs over a small stream. One thing to keep in mind while visiting this spot is that the trail to the beach is broken. You can still access the beach, but it's quite a climb. There are several beaches you can visit along the Kalaloch coastline depending on the type of adventure you're seeking. We just wanted to enjoy the views, so we picked Kalaloch Beach and Ruby Beach for our trip. The Kalaloch Beach stop had a nice overlook spot that provided us a breathtaking view of the ocean. Our main highlight of the day was visiting Ruby Beach. This is one of the most stunning beaches of the Pacific coast, and I highly recommend adding it to your Olympic National Park list. The hike to the beach from parking lot is easy and will get you a view of the expansive sandy shores, dramatic driftwood formations, and the stunning Pacific Ocean. Plus, the sea stacks make this place even more picturesque. We spent rest of our evening watching a breathtaking sunset from the beach and exploring the tide pools, looking out for marine life such as sea stars, anemones, and crabs. On the way back, we stopped at Kalaloch Lodge to check out its restaurant, but it was closed by the time we reached. This restaurant closes by 8 p.m, so do keep that in mind if you're planning to dine here. And that's how we concluded our day trip to Olympic National Park. If you have questions about the park, drop a comment or DM me on Instagram and I'll be happy to help. You can also check out my blog post about Olympic National Park. I'm adding the link in the description box below. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such travel guides and recommendations.